Okay, so we're gonna knock out the seals and the bearings just using a punch hammer. There we go, rear bearing, seal. Now we're going to take out the race. So then what I do is just take an old rag, dirty one, even, whatever, just a little greasy. I'm going to stuff it right through there. It's going to help clean out all the grease. Be sure to clean out where the race bearing is going to seat. Get all the debris out of there so you get a good seal. Use this, it's called the bearing buddy. Just put them in there. Squeeze it. It's going to squeeze the grease all up into it. Grease it up. All right, now we'll go install it.